Hey guys, I'm really tired of this mess. And every time I need a bolt, a washer, a nut, a brass fitting or anything, I end up fumbling through this. And I don't know if you guys have ever done this. You end up dumping the tray out onto the workbench and then you sort through it just to not be able to find your bolt. Well, if this is the case, we are going to organize this mess. And also, I've got other areas that are just horrible. I've got bolts, nuts everywhere. Let's go over here. Look, they're on top of shelves. If you can relate to this, watch this video. This will be for you. I have found a cheap solution that's going to keep you organized and make you happy. Just so you know, this is a new series I'm starting. It's going to be called Tool Tuesday. And when I get new tools, I'll be showing you guys, reviewing them, but not big lengthy reviews, nice junk style reviews. Anyways, here's the solution for the mess we've got. And these I got off the Amazon for $23. I bought 2 packages of them and they come with 2 backplane boards and then a bunch of these bins, small ones and a little bit larger. There's 30 bins. So altogether I'll have 60 bins to sort stuff. And I don't know, for $23 for that much space for 30 bins, you can't go wrong. But I'm going to show you how to install this properly because they don't give you any hardware, of course. And you don't want to be just screwing that into the drywall. By the time you get 75, 100 pounds of scrap and bolts and nuts and doodads and thingamajigs, that's not going to go well. First step, I've decided I'm going to put mine underneath the Kramer photo on that back wall, and that's drywall. So what I did is laid them all out. I want them in a straight line. I don't want them too high because I'm short and I wouldn't be able to reach. From that end to that end is 50.5 inches. So after a little bit, what I've been doing is I turn around and grab some scrap 3/4 inch plywood out of the backyard, and it was ugly. That's why it's painted black. Plus, not only that, then you won't see the edges if a person looks that way. And also with all the holes that are in the backing board, you might see plywood showing through. So I just thought it'd be nice to black that out. Actually, one of my buddies suggested it. Thanks, Dino. So yeah, now we're going to mount backing boards to that. So now we've got all that grid on the wall. And just so you know, put the slots down because that's what the aggro bins clip into. There, the bolt bin is complete, and now to fill the very first bin. The bolt bins are up, bin number 1 filled, and it's going to be all night. Me sorting bolts and nuts out of all these Folgers coffee cans, and I'm not going to put you guys through that. But these were $23 Canadian a set on the Amazon, so that's for 30 bins. I bought 2 sets, and there'll be a link in the description if you want your own to the Amazon, as well as a link to my Amazon affiliate store. Please support the channel. If you're going to buy them through that link. Gives me a couple dollars and it keeps awesome content from doing that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And that was some nice junk.